So, ito na yung ginawa kong program. Ito si Program Betty. Gumagana siya gamit yung voice recognition tsaka voice recognition macros. So in short, para siyang si Jarvis. So, ganito siya gumagana. Good day, Betty.
Good day, sir.
Ayan. So, introduce yourself, Betty.
My name is Betty. I am a personal, state-of-the-art artificial intelligence computer program.
So, ayan. Siya yun. Greet them, Betty.
Hello.
Greet them in Japanese. Greet them in Japanese, Betty.
Konnichiwa, minasan.
So, hindi lang yan yung pwede niyang gawin. So, pwede rin siya magbukas ng mga files sa computers, mga folders, programs, ganon. So, eto. Betty,
Yes, sir.
open my documents. So, ayan, binuksan na niya, di ba? Close that. Open my music. Close that. Open my pictures. Ayan. Close that. Open my videos. Ayan, di ba? Close that. Very good, Betty.
Thank you, sir.
So, close that. So, ayan. Hindi lang yung mga sa computer ang kaya niyang buksan. Pwede rin siya magbukas ng mga websites, ganun. Mga Facebook, o kahit anong gusto mong website. So, ito. Cancel. Cancel. So, Betty,
Yes, sir.
open Facebook. Ayan. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down 30-inch. Scroll down 5-inch. So, ayan. Di ba? Pwede rin siya magbukas ng mga kunyari, eto. Open Facebook messages. Ayan. Open Facebook notification. Ayan. Open Facebook friend request. Ayan. Close that. Hindi lang Facebook yung kaya niya buksan. Marami rin. So, katulad ng Open YouTube. Open YouTube. Ayan. Medyo nahirapan siyang marinig. So, dapat i-calibrate mo pa siya para mas maintindihan kanya. Close that. Betty,
Yes, sir.
I want to read. So, dito kasi ako mahilig. Di naman ako mahilig magbasa, pero mahilig ako magbasa ng manga. So, yun. Switch application. Close that. Ayan. So, eto. Betty, let's have some party.
Not working hard. Yeah, right. Picture that with a Kodak. Or better yet, go to Times Square, take a picture of me.
Close that. Ayan. Betty, give me some good music.
Yes, sir.
Give me some good music. Close that. So, Pwede mo rin siya makausap. Depende na rin sa'yo kung anong gusto mong ilagay. So, katulad nito. Close that. Betty, how are you?
I'm doing fine, sir. How about you?
I'm not okay.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir.
Betty, entertain me.
Would you like to listen to a song, or would you like to watch something?
I would like to watch something. Ayan, di ba? Pinanood niya pa ako. Close that. So, cool siya pero hindi pa yan yung pinaka-cool. So, nasa sa'yo yan kung anong gusto mo. So, eto, may ginawa ko, medyo cool siya para sa akin. So, Betty,
Yes, sir.
activate system BETTY.
Activating system, sir. Importing preferences and calibrating virtual environment. Power input is reaching to maximum efficiency. All system is functioning well. Sir, the system is online and ready.
So, ayan. So, one last thing. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo. Betty, check my location.
Sir, calibrating satellite view of the location. Visualizing satellite virtual environment.
So, ayan, nilalocate niya ako. So, ayan yung location ko. Close that. Enter. So, ayan. Ayan si Program Betty.